हाय गाइस, इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे कि कौन सी ऐसी न्यूज़ सोर्सेज हैं जिसको हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं एक बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए, जिसको हम काफ़ी यूज़ भी करते हैं और जो हमको काम भी आएगा। तो पहला जो चीज़ है जिसको हम यूज़ करेंगे वो इंटरनेट है। एंड उसके बाद में वी विल चेक various sources as well. I'll tell you various sources that I personally use to read market news, see business news and tech news. So let's deep dive in. Before that, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. The YouTube channel name is Samir Mehta, and I will bring you markets, business case studies and tech news. Right. So let's deep dive in, and I'll tell you the first one, which is Bloomberg. एक बहुत ही हाई न्यूज़ सोर्स है ब्लूमबर्ग, जो एटलीस्ट फॉर पीपल हु स्टडी फाइनेंस इन कोर और who have been in the stock market or generally follow the space of Indian finance, they know how important Bloomberg is. इसका एक टर्मिनल भी आता है जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट वो बहुत ही महंगा है, तो इसलिए काफ़ी लोग उसको यूज़ नहीं करते। ये भी एक पेड वेबसाइट है बाय द वे, ब्लूमबर्ग। अगर आप उसके आर्टिकल्स पढ़ने हैं तो 1 मिनट में चार्जिंग राइट। सो ये बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट वेबसाइट है जिसमें आपको जो न्यूज़ मिलेगी दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो for example, the news today that it says is US slaps 50% tariffs on India, the highest in Asia, right? And Modi is seizing on Trump's tariffs to cut India taxes. So आपको यहाँ पे वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ भी मिल जाएगी। China's 1 trillion stock rally spurs curbs from broker funds. Xi unleashes China's biggest purge of military leaders since Mao. So बहुत सारी डिफरेंट न्यूज़ आपको मिलेगी यहाँ पे, and you can go through it. It has sections such as markets, economics, industries, tech, politics, business week, opinion, more. So it has lot of news. Let's say industries, if we check technology. So इस पेवॉल की मैं बात कर रहा था, दैट यहाँ पे एक पेवॉल है। अगर आपको इसके बारे में पढ़ना है और अनइंटरप्टेड एक्सेस आपको चाहिए तो you will have to pay it. This is one. Then they have industries, industry news. What does it say? UK energy bills to rise 2% to fund support of vulnerable homes. China ability, chain sees never sales growth. So etc etc. So the point being that it is very detailed, or you can rely on the news, at least the ones which are for your use, right? You can go through it. So this was one of the sources that I personally use, which is Bloomberg. Although it has a paid version, a paywall, but it is very helpful as well. Next that I recently discovered is a very important and a very interesting with nice visualizations is the Ken, right? So the Ken offers you multiple sources, multiple news from let's say ranging from Indian startups, wealth, industries, tech, economy, and etc etc. So let's deep dive into the Ken as well. This is the second source. Viewers have just watched the video. This is the Ken. So it has Jio Airtel hike entry level pricing but lose cheapest data tag on emerging markets. Then college consumers. So this is India focus, guys. So this is very important. So if you want to have India focused news and what is happening in the Indian space, that is where the Ken comes in and captures your attention and becomes really important. So see, SUVs are taking over India, one accident, one parking spot at a time. So what is happening is with bigger cars flooding the market, everyone else from real estate developers to traffic officials and even pedestrians is struggling to keep up. So what is happening in the Indian space? Then Razorpay. So you see, there is a lot of Indian focus, and the spotlight is actually on the Indian industries and how they're doing and what all they are trying to achieve. So you can go through it. I'll also put details in the next video. how you can utilize these in detail, but this is a very visually captivating way to read news and be interested as well, because news could get little repetitive after a point if you read daily. But then to be make it interesting, you have these websites such as the Ken, which will help you to have add some color to your life in terms of reading. So this is the second one. Then we have another, which is the Motley Fool. This is not Indian focus at all, but it gives you how are other countries or other economies doing, and what news do they sort of people from other countries do they get. So this is basically an investing website, the Motley Fool, which gives you stock market news, how to invest, retirement, personal finance. So very core finance website, and very very important as well. So it has sections such as you know let's say market, stock news, trending news, stock market news, market movers, tech stock, market trends, consumer stock news. So if you go to market trends, for example, let's see what does it offer. So then it has industries to invest in: technology, energy, real estate, healthcare, consumer goods, material industries, etc. Right. So then it also gives an opinion: are stocks too expensive right now? So this is an opinion article, right, which tells you that this is what the stocks are priced right now, and this is where they could be in the future. Then they have also published these latest utility rankings, show massive opportunity for investors as well, right? So then, so guys, so the third that we were telling was that was about Bill Blaine's Morning Porridge. This is again a UK based website, right? And over here you can read the financial commentary for smart people. It says so. So what does it say? That it has a lot of commentary on what's happening around the world. Now, if you like this video, go to the subscribe button and like and comment.